one. We was again found another single track to film, so Jack's going first this time. I went first.
Yeah, this one looks interesting.
So,
see how we go, eh?
Don't get stuck.
This one looks a bit hard.
Off you go then. I'll wait till he gets up the first part before I go. Also, it's cold. I can see my breath.
I don't feel cold.
I don't know why you hit that with zero momentum.
Yeah. Oh dear.
What's the vibe?
It's very. Yep. It goes everywhere.
Well, go left.
Oh, I'm going right.
Okay, that's right.
This is like a great driver's type of thing because I don't have any grip.
Oh, it's so slippery.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god. Oh, fucking. It is incredibly soft.
Yeah, man. It just loops back around, but what?
That's alright.
How good?
Jesus, it's so dark in here.
So it does. If we went left, we could have like. But I think that's like. This is some real fucking crazy shit.
We can't go up that.
Not from here, no.
Not with the tyres in the state they're in.
No.
Come on, Fred.
Yeah, my engine was off. Why did I stop? So fucking moist and slippery.
Oh, it's so wet.
It's taking all of my concentration not to fucking tuck the front.
Ah! A stick just grabbed one of the holes in my helmet.
Okay, back to the start.
Okay, that was something.
Muy bueno wet. Goodness. Wow.
Oh, fuck.
That's slippery. Goodness.
When I come out of here, look at my oh my god. Look at my rear tyre.
Now lock the brake and turn right.
Look at
yeah.
Kate.
Oh, this is icy.
Oh,
okay. So this will show you how cold it is today. This puddle is frozen.
Quick, poke it with your foot. My front brakes are off.
That was very satisfying. Satisfaction.
Just breaking ice with a dirt bike.
Breaking ice with a dirt bike. Look at it, it's icy here too.
And we're sweating.
I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that's
no.
hectic.
Right, let's watch me bin it.
Well, I sat down too, I probably should have stood up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah. Valiant effort.
Thank you. Wait. Smells like petrol here.
I wonder why.
TTR good. Not that good, but good.
Rider, not great. TTR good. No, just pivot turn out of it. Up off the wall. Bumped it. Or whatever they're called when you hit the wall.
You gonna go again or?
I'm gonna give it a crack.
Let me get in a positive to film it.
Too late.
I need more momentum.
Yeah.
I need to like almost jump it.
Momentum is scary though.
Dude, literally. Oh well.
Might give it one more bash.
Are you ready, kids? Oobies are coming. Record. Oh, yes!
I got over.
You got over!
Oh my goodness. Now I'm stuck.
Fuck yeah, look at you go!
Wow. Alright, your turn.
No, not a chance.
Nah, you got it. A little bit more pace. Whip it when you get to it and then just lean back.
No, I'm
And if you
scared.
need to, put your feet on there
I don't want
as
to
you
fall
get
over
to the
again.
top. Because once you get to the top, it's not scary. It's just rolling the bike off.
Oh, it still fucking terrifies me.
You can do it, I believe in you.
I don't believe in me.
Let me. Come on, bike. Let's not gonna fall over. So I can get good enduro angles. Right here.
Nah, I don't got that.
Now you got it. Go back there
Nah.
and come around the tree and
Nah.
just like, and then flip it as you hit this. You
Nah.
got this.
I don't.
You do.
No, you
I
need
can do it.
Yeah, nah, you need the confidence to do it. I don't have the confidence right now.
You're a better rider than me. Jeez,
No,
go
don't
on.
be silly. No, I don't have it.
Go one more try.
No, but I
And then we'll
don't want to drop my bike again.
That's okay. I'll catch it.
Oh.
I'll try. Yes.
Did you see my feet hit the ground?
No, you done well. Told ya.
Thanks for the confidence.
That's alright. I knew you could do it.
Now, can you stand next to that log to give the world perspective on how fucking big it is?
It comes above the knees. I'm 6 foot, by the way.
That's
So
a 2 foot tall log.
That's at least 2. We got a kicker, a big kicker, to be fair. But we did it. We
And
both did it.
I did it feet up.
Look at you go.
And then have a suss at this, and then
Yeah.
we might hit that massive hill climb again because it looks terrifying.
Yeah. I hit it here, I reckon. That was like vertical.
Do we
Hey,
want to
there's
like go up that and then come back down and around?
Sure, there's some like. No, they run far too beyond that.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
The one that I done, give that a crack.
When
Give
you,
that a bash.
just one sec. Here, I'm gonna go straight up that.
This.
No.
Oh, there.
See that V?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Hey! Oh,
Not
is
the
that
bark
handguard?
buster.
No!
Ugh.
Time for closed end ones.
Yeah, probably.
We fall over too much to have that.
Literally.
Hey, at least your lever's good.
It is. Oh, my indicator ate it.
Oh no, not the $20 Chinese indicators.
Oh, lucky I got a
You
new
want a
one.
hand back down?
I got a new one at home.
Oh, cool. Did you want a hand back down?
Yeah.
Stand up there, and we both binned it. You've seen Curtis's, maybe. He might not put it in. He's just snapped his shit.
I'll put it in. It was funny as hell.
It was, and then like we turned the cameras off, and then I fell over.
Yeah, my indicator's bronc.
Standing still, no less.
Sweet.
Now we're going to do this big
Hill climb.
hill climb, and then we're going to go sit on that ledge, and we're going to have smoke over.
Fuck, and then we're going to come back down. So come over here and we'll do it together like little cuties.
Alright. Do you want me to go first? Because I have a bigger mudguard, I might not flick you as much.
Yeah, we'll get this POV.
Okay.
It'll be fucking pretty sick, I reckon.
Bit of a chase cam up there. Second and pinned.
Second
Yeah.
and pinned.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, go. Fuck me dead.
Saved it. Ooh, that's not good.
Bronc TTR.
Just having a moment.
Yeah. Well, Sean, so let's turn these off.
Yeah.
Have a fucking quick smoko, and then we'll probably head home because we've got shit sabo. So,
Yeah.
party on. Thanks for watching. This will
Don't
probably
forget to
be
like and subscribe.
probably multiple videos again.
Yeah, probably.
Let's be honest.
If you didn't see the first part, go back and watch that. We'll have it linked.
Yeah, might be 3 again. Who knows? It was another day of riding. So,
Yep.
but yeah, good fun. Big hill climbs, big logs, stacks, all the good stuff. So, how much you effort give?